Hello there, Keith Downing, CIT 336. I'm going to be doing a session start, presentation, and also demonstration. Just going to start right off here with the little project I created, the session start here. I'm going to go right into the session start PHP file. I'm going to start off right here at the beginning of line 3. We got our session underscore start parenthesis parenthesis semicolon. That's going to start our session up. And then on this main page here, we're going to have a couple links. And then down here, line 24, line 25, we have the session data that will be stored. These symbols here, then session, bracket. And within the bracket, got it called first name, my name. Same thing with 25, got our item here with session, last name, and I'm going to have that as my last name. We'll just go ahead and fire that up. Running here on Firefox. So as we showed before, we got this is our home page, and have our listed items here. Go back to NetBeans, go on the next one here. We got my intro, my next page that we can carry over and retrieve that data we saved for this session. And this one here, down on line 33, we're using the echo to retrieve that data. So it's going to have a hi, then it should show up Keith Downing, because if you remember, my data from first name stored as Keith, last name Downing. So we'll go ahead and go back to Firefox here. We'll click on intro. And then as you see, there's my data. Down here at the bottom, session data, hi Keith Downing. There's just a couple things on session start. Starting the session and using the echo. And then the session are a way to store information that can be used across multiple pages. It's also not stored on the computer, and the session storage lasts until the browser is closed by the user. So that's kind of helpful as well. And we'll go back to NetBeans here. Then we got our last one here, my little user page. So, and like I said, it's just going to have at the bottom under the H2 session data. It's just going to have, again, just show up Keith Downing as the user. So I'll go back to page here, go click on the user, and there it is. Here's the user page, and then the session data, Keith Downing is the user. Go back and click on home, it takes it back to our home page, and that will end our demonstration of the session start. Thank you for listening. Keith Downing, CIT 336.